Okay guys, this is a quick technical analysis video on 1 inch. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, let's get straight into it. We are looking at 1 inch over USDT 4-hour chart on Binance. Back in December of 2024, 1 inch pumped all the way up to 63 cents. Then traders and investors took profits and the price action pulled back, started downtrending, moving inside this falling wedge pattern that I have here on the chart. From this high of 63 cents to this low that's located at 15 cents, that's a retrace of over 75%, indicating that we might have found a bottom here. Also, notice that the price action managed to break out of this downtrend. We broke out of this falling wedge, and since then we have been consolidating. This consolidation is technically bullish because it shows that we might have found a bottom here also. Now, remember guys, trading is not predicting. We don't have a crystal ball. We don't know what the price action is going to do next. So we gotta have a plan no matter what happens. This is how you do it when you trade. If the price action does this, then you do this. If the price action does that, then you do that. So what I am doing with this is plan A. If the price action pulls back, I am watching for a bounce at this key level of support that's located at 15 cents. We also had a bounce here back in early April of 2025, so this is a very strong key level of support. If the price action loses this support and we break below this, you might want to consider exiting all your positions on 1 inch because this is going to be really bearish. And at least in my view, you don't want to hold downtrends. Now, plan B. If the price action breaks above this key level of resistance that I have here on the chart, that's located at 22 cents, 0.2227, I am going to buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so I can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. The first target after this is located at 32 cents. From the break above this resistance to this first target, that's a measured move of approximately 45%. Next target at 43 cents, that's a measured move of 95%. Next target at 43 cents, that's a measured move of 141%. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at 64 cents. That's a previous high that we saw back in December of 2024, and that's a measured move of 190%. Of course, if the price action pulls back before we take off again, the measured moves are going to become even greater. For example, from this key level of support to this last target that I have here on the chart, that's approximately a 332% move over a 3x. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for 1 inch for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish on it? I really want to know what you guys think. Also, if you have any other altcoins that you want me to talk about, make sure that you drop them in the comments below and I will make videos on YouTube performing technical analysis on them. Also, if we zoom in a little bit right here, look at this, guys. We have a few patterns that I want to bring to your attention. For example, we have this descending channel going on that the price action has been moving in recently. Remember, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. This has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So I expect that to break to the upside sooner or later. Also, if we adjust this lower support trend line, we might be looking at a triangle pattern, guys. Look at this. We have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance, and also this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. Now, technically, we can trade this both ways. If the price action breaks to the upside, we can open a long position. If it breaks to the downside, we can open a short position. But notice that right now, it looks like the price action is breaking below this triangle pattern. So if we see a bearish retest here, I expect to see further downside when it comes to 1 inch. If you want to find these trading setups that I talk about on YouTube, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups, news, and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI tokens, meme coins, RWA projects, gaming, DeFi, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group and it's totally free. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, again, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. That's all I have for you today, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.